welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have an impromptu, unplanned, unscheduled video that I am going to film for you because my girl Misty sent me a care package in the mail. She had said she wanted to send me, I think, 3 things that just wasn't working for her in her collection. And I'm like, sure, no problem, send them to me. And she sent a huge package of things. This thing is heavy. So I just wanted to come on here and do a very quick unboxing and say thank you, Misty. Even though I've already said that via text because we text every day. It was just so sweet, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And it also kind of goes along with the trying to be transparent as things come into my collection because, you know, I want to show you guys if things are coming in or going out. And yeah, I will be sending you stuff, Misty. Be on the lookout. I'm still going through things, but we already discussed 2 things that are coming your way. I have a feeling there might be some more coming up too. Once I get through all of this and do my inventory and start taking pictures, and I realize things that, you know, might work better for you than they do for me. All right, let's get into this unboxing. There is a ton, or unbagging, if you will. There's a ton of stuff in here. I'm just going to start pulling things out because there is a lot. There is a lot. First thing is this Alien perfume from Mugler. It is one of my absolute favorites. Definitely in my top 5, probably in my top 3. It is, look at the bottle, how awesome that is. It feels very alien to me. And I love the smell. This is, I love it. I suspect that is going to be going into a project coming very soon. And if you're wondering, I'm filming this midway between Christmas and New Year's. So it is probably not going to be going up until at least mid-January, at least, because my schedule is like insane as far as videos that are going up. But I wanted to film it so that, you know, I can get it in my inventory and not have to worry about all that. All right, next up, this is from Marc Jacobs. It is the Fantasine palette, one of their iconic palettes. It's beautifully neutral. This is going to be very easy shades for me to work on. We've got some slightly cooler tones and some warmer tones, but overall pretty neutral. I've never tried Marc Jacobs, so I'm looking forward to trying this formula. And Pat McGrath. This is the Eye Ecstasy Subversive palette. Let me see if I can get this opened. It is super, super pretty. I really want to swatch everything, but I think that will take too long. But these colors are right up my alley. And yes, though this is technically a blue, it's more of a teal, which I don't have a problem with. It's those true blues that, you know, are not my thing. All right, more stuff. This next one is one of the ones I was expecting that I knew about. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore Refiner Primer. I have pores. I'm an oily girl. We have pores. So I'm looking forward to trying that one. I've tried a lot of Dr. Brandt stuff. Everything I've tried I've liked. So hopefully that holds true for that as well. Here's my little note. This is the Ulta Mattifying Face Primer. My skin type and Misty's skin type are very different. She is very dry. I am very oily. So mattifying makes more sense for me. There's my mother-in-law calling. She's gonna have to wait a minute. Sorry, mother-in-law, but you know, I'm filming and I will call you right back if you're watching this video, which you probably aren't. All right, so yeah, this, and it's brand new. It's brand spanking new, still has the seal on it and everything. I'm pretty daggone sure this is going to be in a project very, very soon. There are 5 different ColourPop quints here. This first one is Cherish. Love those colors. This one is Ballad. Let's see, what is this one? Amour. Sorry about the glare. What is this one? Lyric. See, if I get the right tilt on it, you don't get the glare as much. And this one, which is probably like truly my colors, this is Crush. I'm like into those orangey colors, but I like the berry colors too. So these are like my 2 absolute favorites, but I like all of them and they will all be well loved. I'm sure of it. Yeah, there's more. But wait, there's more. I feel like an infomercial. You pull everything out of that bag. There are some pressed glitters from Vanny Cosmetics. I've never even heard of them, but these glitters are super pretty. I don't see the names on them, but I suspect they're probably on the inside. That is a gold color. This is a gold with like some like purpley hollow shifts to it. And this is a purple with hollow shifts. I'm gonna love that. I do love my glitters. I love glitters. Speaking of glitters, this next palette, the With Love Cosmetics, the Natural One palette. Never heard of them, but I'm always looking to try new stuff. This palette is super pretty. It is 6 glitters and 3 mattes. Definitely my tones right there. I'm going to enjoy every moment of this. And I did press into the purple because it's purple. And I'm definitely going to have to get like a glitter glue or something. I barely put any on my finger because, you know, I don't want it everywhere. And it will get everywhere. That's what it looks like. Sorry, the swatch is not the greatest, but I need to have something under it. You can see a little bit still stuck on my finger, but it is really pretty. I definitely need a glitter glue in my life because I don't own one, and you know, I have a lot of glitters that I really should have a glitter glue for. And then the last two. This one I was expecting. This is the ColourPop California Love. Definitely my color scheme right here with the oranges and the warms and stuff like that. I like warm eye tones. And then whatever. This one I was not expecting. And yeah, I really like those tones as well. She clearly understands what I like and sent me a lot of really awesome stuff. And I hope that I can return the favor by sending her things that she will definitely like and not want to send back to me. I want to make sure I pick out things for her that you know, she is going to enjoy, because while we like some of the same things, our skin is very different, our coloring is very different. So hopefully I can find some good things to send to her. Misty, thank you. A very heartfelt thank you. This was like a wonderful belated Christmas gift. I appreciate everything that you sent me, and it is going to be very well loved. So I just wanted to do this very quick video. One, to say thank you to Misty, and to let you guys know what has come into my inventory. I'm so glad I didn't do all my inventory picks yet, because with Christmas and this, my inventory took a hit, and I would have had to redo all my pictures. So glad I haven't done that yet. All right, I am going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.